Bonjour. Welcome to our channel, The Roaming Investor. If you're considering moving to France, you might be wondering how you can make some extra income as a foreigner living there. Well, don't worry, because I've got you covered. In this video blog, I'm going to share with you 5 side hustles you can do as a foreigner living in France. Teach English. One of the most popular side hustles for foreigners in France is teaching English. As a native English speaker, you have a valuable skill that many French people are willing to pay for. You can teach English to individuals or small groups, and there are plenty of online platforms where you can find potential students. You can also offer your services to language schools and businesses that want to improve their employees' English skills. Tour guide. France is a country with a rich history and culture, and as a foreigner, you might have a unique perspective on it. You can offer your services as a tour guide, showing visitors around famous landmarks and hidden gems in your city. You can create your own tour company or work for an existing one. With the right knowledge and passion for France's history and culture, you could turn your love for your new home into a profitable business. Translating. If you're fluent in both French and your native language, you could work as a translator. There are many opportunities for translators in France, from translating documents for businesses to providing translation services for individuals. You can also offer your services as an interpreter for events and meetings. You can find translation work through online platforms or by networking with other translators and businesses. Pet sitting and dog walking. Pet sitting and dog walking are popular side hustles in France, and as a foreigner, you can offer your services to pet owners who are going on vacation or need help during the day. You can find clients through online platforms or by advertising your services in your local community. Pet sitting and dog walking can be a great way to explore your new city and meet new people while making some extra income. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support more content from this channel. Freelance writing. If you're a skilled writer, you can offer your services as a freelance writer. There are many opportunities for freelance writers in France, from writing for local newspapers and magazines to writing content for businesses and websites. You can find freelance writing gigs through online platforms or by networking with other writers and businesses. In conclusion, these are just a few examples of the many side hustles you can do as a foreigner living in France. Whether you want to teach English, become a tour guide, translate, pet sit, or freelance write, there are plenty of opportunities to make some extra income and explore your new home. Bon chance! And thanks for watching.
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest videos. By doing so, you'll be helping to support the channel and keep us motivated to create more great content for you to enjoy.